Good morning. Okay, sodium chloride. Think about it. Metal, nonmetal, ionic, transfers an electron. How many valence electrons does sodium have to transfer? 1. How many more electrons are needed for chlorine to obtain a stable octet? 1. So after it gives it away or transfers it, sodium has a positive 1 charge. It gave away a negative electron, making it more positive. Chlorine has an additional negative electron, so now it's negative. Our barium chloride, same type of example as A. However, this time we need 2 chlorines, 1, 2, because each barium electron, it has 2 valence electrons. Each electron needs a home to go to. If that happens, then we have chlorine with a negative 1 charge. The barium gave away 2 electrons, so now it has a positive 2 charge. Chlorine gas, we've done many of these. So it's a nonmetal and a nonmetal, covalent bond. They're each going to share an electron. Please remember, in one bond, there are 2 electrons being shared. Since chlorine and chlorine are the same atom, they're going to pull equally, making it non-polar. Okay. Phosphorus trichloride. Once again, nonmetal, nonmetal, covalent, we're sharing electrons. Our phosphorus has 5 valence electrons. Our chlorine still has 7. So if we think about it, that electron needs to go somewhere and bond. It's bonding because, or it's going to share an electron because it's nonmetal and nonmetal. So this one can go share over here. That electron can go share with this chlorine, and that one can go over here. So all 3 of these valence electrons will go form a bond with chlorine, and then we have that lone pair at the top. I forgot to draw my chart on here for you, which would have been the one that has atom or element would be phosphorus. There's one of those, 5 valence electrons, so total of 5. Chlorine, 3 times 7, 21. So 5 and 21 is 26. And if we count these up, we have 26 electrons. Water, you should start seeing it in your sleep by this point. It's a polar molecule. Remember that OH bond always means polar molecule. The electrons share. I'm sure you're good on this one. Then aluminum chloride, similar to A and B, metal and nonmetal. So we have electrons being transferred to the nonmetal. Similar explanations as before. We have an electron being transferred to the chlorines, which gives all those a negative 1 charge. Aluminum lost 3. And overall, this is neutral now. We have a positive 3 and 1, 2, 3 negatives. Okay, thank you.